Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're taking to the skies to explore the breathtaking drone views of downtown Los Angeles, a vibrant tapestry of culture, architecture, and that unmistakable Californian beauty. So, buckle up as we soar above the city. As we lift off, the first thing that strikes you is the skyline. Those towering skyscrapers, like the iconic Wilshire Grand and the shimmering U.S. Bank Tower, reach for the sky, reflecting the golden California sun. Can you believe that some of these buildings are over 100 stories tall? It's a testament to the ambition and creativity that defines this city. Now let's glide over the historic district. You can see the stunning blend of old and new architecture. The ornate details of the Bradbury Building stand in stark contrast to the sleek lines of modern constructions. It's like a visual history lesson, showcasing LA's evolution from a sleepy town to a bustling metropolis. And don't even get me started on the greenery. The parks scattered throughout the city, like Grand Park and MacArthur Park, offer a refreshing escape from the urban hustle. From above, you can see families picnicking, joggers enjoying the trails, and kids playing. It's a reminder that amidst all the concrete, nature still has a place in this sprawling city. As we drift towards the Arts District, the vibrant street art pops against the industrial backdrop. Each mural tells a story, capturing the spirit of the community and the creativity that thrives here. It's a celebration of diversity and innovation, reflecting what Los Angeles is all about. So, whether you're a local or planning your first visit, I hope these aerial views inspire you to appreciate the beauty and excitement that downtown LA has to offer. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.